Hey guys, Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome to BGS Technology new another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you remove InShot Watermark without internet connection and without paid version. How you do it in this video I'm going to show you. So before the start video, also if you new member in our channel, now click the subscribe button, and if you watch this video under the social medias, now follow me to get more exciting upcoming video. So let's see how you do it simply and very easily without internet connection and without watching ad and without paid version. We get three opportunities in this video. I'll show you. So let's jump.
We're gonna have our InShot apps and we'll click video options and we'll select our video or anything that you want to edit it. So I select this and click here, and our video is coming our edit layer, and you look here, here is our InShot logos is showing here. So I wanna remove it, that's why we click the cross icon and we click free remove. We click here, and if you do it without internet connection, that you don't look any ads, and you do it internet connection, you watch ads. So I do it offline, that's why I want to eat ads, but it don't show any ads. So our InShot logo is freely removed from here.
Yes guys, I think in this video very helpful for yourself, and if you want to watch our more exciting video and about InShot tutorial video, I will mention a playlist in the description box. That playlist here is all InShot video editing tutorial Bangla and English. So if you watch this, now go to our description box and watch this our exciting videos, and if you new member in our channel or another social medias, don't forget to subscribe our channel and follow us. So see you later inshallah very soon. Assalamu alaikum.